Hello everyone! For today's 7th daily design challenge, we are going to be creating a bottle, not a bottle actually, a soda can. I don't know why I thought of bottle, but a soda can. And that can be of whatever you like. You can come up with your own flavor, your own ideas. And I've seen some really cool soda. I keep seeing bottles. I don't know why that just, I mean, they're similar, obviously. They hold beverages, but I keep thinking of that. Soda cans. Yeah, I keep seeing soda cans on Pinterest, Instagram, some of my favorite artists creating cool designs. It's really, really cool. Even on Pinterest, I've seen some really cool ones, and they've inspired me to want to come up with my own, and like some really cool funky designs and like illustrations that have really caught my eye, and that's kind of got me to thinking, oh, I want to kind of make my own. So this is for today's challenge. We're going to be creating our own soda cans. Now you have an hour. Of course, if you go over the hour, no worries. Let's get this challenge started. Oh, also, forgot to mention, I will link below a mock-up for a soda can that looks really cool, and I'll try to find a couple free ones and we can use that for our soda can mock-ups. Let's get this challenge started. Yes, you guessed it. I definitely went over time, and this is what I came up with so far. I think I might do something like this again. I really like the idea of designing a soda can or even a beverage bottle. I feel like that's something that I want to delve into a little bit more, but this is what I have so far. I hope you enjoyed that. Have a great day!